Welcome to Democracy Now!, democracynow.org, the War and Peace Report. I'm Amy Goodman. In Arizona, at least 50 people have been arrested in protests against the state's new anti-immigrant law. The law went into effect Thursday, but not before a federal judge blocked 4 key parts of the legislation. One of the biggest protests occurred in Phoenix, outside the 4th Avenue jail run by Sheriff Joe Arpaio. Carlos Garcia is an organizer with the Puente Movement.
We're going to show Joe Arpaio that we're not scared of him. We're going to show the police that we're not scared of him. Some of us are going to be willing to risk arrest. Those people have already done it. Those people are already trained. If you're not one of them, go figure out how you can help out or support them. Those folks have already made that decision. But for right now, we're all going to take on this street. We're all going to be there and show Joe Arpaio we're not scared of him. Show the Obama administration we're not going to stop until he stops the ICE access programs and puts Joe Arpaio behind bars.
At least 6 demonstrators chained themselves to the Phoenix jail, including the Reverend Susan Frederick Gray of the Unitarian Universalist Church.
We're out here standing here saying not one more mother gets pulled away from her children. Not one more grandfather gets pulled away from his children and grandchildren. Not one more student gets denied the opportunity to follow his dreams after his mother and father have sweated in labor for our country.
While the protests against Arizona anti-immigrant law were peaceful, critics of the state law have faced direct threats. Democratic Congressmember Raul Grijalva had to shut down his Yuma district office after staff members discovered a bullet had shattered a window. U.S. Judge Susan Bolton has reportedly received hundreds of threats at her court offices following her ruling Wednesday throwing out parts of the law.